I can add one more thing to it. It's the to your rabbit hole.
To my rabbit hole. Sorry.
Is the importance of getting it into the work process, because you can do unpack this and do a lot of analysis, right, and come up with conclusions that, look, this is how we should do it. Look at this. This is not art. We can really quantify this and blah blah blah. But and you can get a lot of nodding heads, right? And then they go back and do your work, and that's like we've always done it.
Oh, this is so good.
But how do you change that? That's hard.
How do you change the actual behavior?
So then you have to, at least this is what I learned in the Motherbrain project, you have to build, or you need to make sure that the tool that the people use in their day-to-day life is affected. So you need to get the data, the AI, the algorithms into the things that actually the team use to do their everyday work.
I think this is profound. Number two, because we have all these BI tools over on the side here, but I'm doing my sales job over here.
Exactly.
That's not really going to fly.
That's not going to fly. That's never going to fly.
Yeah.
So because who sits and do their work here in their day-to-day work that where you manage what is important for you, and then someone tells you, oh, you should also go and see in this other system to find some stuff that is cool. Yeah, that's cool. That sounds amazing. And then I go back and do my work here. You're never going to change their minds.
You need to indoctrinate the insight hardcore back in. And now this is the full circle back into, we can't just have BI and analytics on the side. We need to operationalize it. All the way back to, even if it's not for Spotify's operationalizing it for the end customer, but you need to think the same way, operationalizing AI or analytics, even if it's internal insights and decisions. That's the bottom line.
Yeah. So the tools that your teams use for their day-to-day job, that's where you need to make sure that whatever you learn from your data and AI work has to go in and affect the way you work.